Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another weekly breakdown here on Intuition FX. I hope everybody's well. I hope everyone's had a great trading week so far. And I guess it's just crazy how the week just flies really quickly. Here I am again recording another weekly breakdown. And to me, it seems like I'm doing these like every 2, 3 days, and I realize no, it's me doing it every week. And I just want to talk about a few things today. Again, it's not going to be a long one. It's not going to be, 40 minutes, 30 minutes. It might just be a quick 10, 15 minutes. Because again, not much to say. I do, have the bias. Um, and I'll just cover the trades that I took during the week, which I will get onto in a moment. So I'm just going to start straight off firstly by talking about the economic calendar for the week ahead. So for the week ahead, we do have again a lot of news. We have two bank holidays here, Wednesday, but again we do have high impact news throughout the whole week, and we do have NFP on Friday. So what is the protocol for this week? Wednesday, New York is the last trading day for me this week, and I will not be participating Thursday or Friday until the next week. So that is the protocol. That is my plan for the week ahead. And I always have this plan. I always look at the news calendar and I think, okay, what days are the major bank holidays? French, Italian. I don't really care, to be honest. We can trade GU. We can look at still can look at EU. But if it was like a USD bank holiday, if it was like a GBP bank holiday, I would be thinking different. But again, it's none of those bank holidays. So it's going to be very interesting to see how this week pans out. Again, like I said, Monday, I need more information on Monday, like I always do. Tuesday should be interesting to see what happens. Wednesday should be interesting, and like I said, Thursday, Friday, I'm on the sidelines. So I'm just gonna get straight into the chart work, guys. So here you guys see the dollar index again, beautiful bullish run, and we are at a point where there's a little bit of consolidation now. This is healthy. This consolidation is healthy because we've had such a run upwards, right? You'd expect it to retrace, consolidate, because what comes after this? In my opinion, an expansion is coming, and a wild one. And I think we are going to go to the upside, to this buy side liquidity that I've had for a very long time now, and the daily volume imbalance. Again, guys, I'm not going to sit here and pull out all the weekly breakdowns I've been doing, but please do go watch them if you do have any doubts, or if you think this is all hindsight. I'm not going to sit here and keep trying to prove myself. But again, you know, this is where my eye is on 108 level, and then maybe the 109. But for now, 108 is the level I'm looking at. Why have I drawn this line over here? I mentioned this on the Telegram. This is the SMT between DXY and GBP USD. And if I pull out Euro, again, Euro made the high, GBP did not. Hence why last week I was trading GU. So just gonna go over a quick analysis overview of what I think's gonna happen, and then I will be breaking down the trades that I took last week. Just very quickly, just explaining everything. Again, like I said, not too much to talk about. So we had the SMT, and I'm grateful to have witnessed this. Tuesday making the high of the week on both pairs. Again, I will cover that mainly on GU. I won't be breaking down EU because I did not trade that. However, I only traded GU, and again, I will be breaking that down. So yeah, again, like I was mentioning on the weekly breakdown last week, I wanted it to come to this fair value gap. On the daily, it completely filled it, but look at the lovely reaction from there. Completely filled it in, and when it completely fills it in, boom, it just wanted to run lower. So what do I think is going to happen now between the two pairs? Honestly, I wanted to go for the sell side Euro. I want the sell side GU. I want the sell side, and that is what I'm looking for. So Monday, I'd like to see maybe some move higher or maybe some move lower. I just need it to move on Monday for me. And then Tuesday again, I will update you guys like I did do on the Telegram, which I'm going to go over because again, it's not all about hindsight. And how I was talking about the lows. So again, the SMT major telltale sign of what side of the market you should be on. When you see it between the dollar as well, the dollar made the low, euro made the high. However, GU did not. GU becomes the weaker currency, and that is the pair you'd want to ideally short in this scenario. Hence why I took those shorts, and we got amazing moves from them. So let me break it down for you guys. So again, this is the balanced price range on the daily. Let me just show you guys that. There you go. Just, here. And now I'm going to take your attention to what I was actually doing that day on Tuesday. So Tuesday, we're trading higher. And again, my bias is okay, I want to see shorts. Remember when I spoke about the Asian range? What is that right there? Asian range high. What does price do? Trades above it. At this point where it trades above it, I'm going to be very honest with you guys on how I took this trade. Now, a lot of you will be trying to force sniper entries, forcing so much. No, I'll tell you what I saw. I saw price go high above the Asian range. I did not participate in this move down. Okay, I saw this retracement. I saw this break of structure, sorry, and my trade, to be very honest with you guys, was here. This fair value gap. I did not try and squeeze it there. There's two fair value gaps here. What do? I take the one that's nearest to me right here. And where do I put my stop loss? I put it either above this high over here because it shouldn't come that high, or if you're not that confident, you can put it here. That was where my entry was. Again, guys, nothing crazy. No sniper entry, no clean entry, no pip to pip entry, none of that. It was just me saying, this is where I'm going to go short. There's my stop loss. And I just wrote it down. Let me pull that out. So this is the trade over here. One second, guys. This is the trade over here. Okay, so you can see, well, it's on a 5 minute. So again, I'll break it down. So none of you say he's trying to make it look better. There you go. So you see, so in fact, it was actually, if I break it down even more, it was that fair value gap there. So guys, if you look at that, and I pull up Telegram, it was here. Looks like it's in the middle of nowhere. It looks like a really shit entry, the best way to put it. But again, I'm not waiting for this fair value gap. I'm not waiting for that. Okay, I'm not sitting here saying I want it to come there. I'm saying I will take the entry here. If it comes there, I don't mind. But I don't expect it to. I'm not forcing it to. I'm not waiting for it to. This is the fair value gap I'm trading off. And as you can see, partials and the full trade taken. So again, that was trade number one. Now, what did I say after that? We had that, and this is when I started pointing out the SMT. That is when I said to everyone, I said, guys, this is very clear. We've got the SMT. We've got a lovely reaction on Tuesday, and I even said here, um, over here, just go over that. Not only do we have a nice displacement lower, we also have SMT with EU and GU. Tuesday, however, the week in my opinion, looking for a nice sell day tomorrow. And then I wrote there is a SMT. GU failed to take out that high. GU should move faster towards the downside as it is the weaker pair. That was in the evening around 9 o'clock. And again, as you can see during the London session, what did I do? I took the trade. Very simple. Now, why did I take this trade? So let's go here. Again, Asian range high. I only participate, well, I want to participate when it takes out that high. Even though it's only by a little bit, what did I need for a confluence to go short? Okay, it's the displacement. It's not the let it just go higher, go lower, and then boom, move up. No, this is why I wait. This is why I wait for price to really shoot lower. It might look like when you're participating in something like this, guys, yeah, it looks like you're missing it. It looks like it's just gonna go lower and lower, and it's gonna take these lows out, and it's gonna keep dropping, and you're never gonna get in. That is not the case. You have to be patient. If it does happen, well, guess what? You miss a trade, and that does not matter because If you guys go through my channel, if you guys go through the Telegram, go through the weekly breakdowns, I have been showing you guys the exact same thing week in, week out for the last couple of months. And this is exactly how I'm going to keep showing it. You're going to see the discipline aspect. You're going to see a lot of things. Again, I do not trade every day. My last trading day was that Wednesday. Again, why did I take that trade? So, price trades lower, retraces, trades lower again, retraces, and I get in around this order block there. When did I enter? I entered, and if I'm not mistaken, it would have been on the second candle. Exactly. There you go. See that second candle over there? That is why I entered. I'm going to tell you why. I entered when this candle closed as an up candle. Why did I do this? This becomes a propulsion block. I wanted the next candle. This closing up candle. Next candle, I wanted displacement. So I entered as soon as this candle closed. This one opened. Boom, I went short. And we got to move down. And as you can see, here, took a short. Look how where my stop loss was. Above that order block. I don't expect price to go any higher than that. Why don't I expect price to go any higher? We've got a low. Sorry, we've got a high, we've got a low. We've got a high again. Price is traded in over here. We've gone low, we've gone high again. Fair value gap filled in. So it hasn't left any pockets open. So to me, I'm thinking, okay, we don't need to go any higher. We've done all that's needed. This is where I'm going to put my stop loss. And as you can see, I ride it out. Very simple. What was my main target? Look, Monday's low. That was my main target. And then I left a runner on. As you guys will see, well, that was not meant to happen. As you guys will see over here, that was the exact trade if I look at it for a 5-minute time frame. Sell, partials, full position. I think it's around 40 pips. And that's it. My last message was on that day, on the 25th. And now it's the 27th, which is a Friday. And I said, boom, closed GU. And that is it. I did not touch a chart after that. I did not even look at a chart. This is the first time I'm on the charts since Wednesday. Well, obviously, I was on this charts to quickly do my, not quickly, but to do my markup for you guys. And that was it. That is it. And look at another thing, guys. What day did we make the high of the week? Tuesday. What day did we make the low of the week? Thursday. So for those of you who sit there and talk about ICT concepts not working, it's just that you don't know how to use them. Very simple. That is as simple as it is. Normally, I sometimes do have another chart that looks exactly like this. So it'll have the key levels on, and it will also have, again, it will have these horizontal lines on. They'll be a bit darker so I can see them, and most of the time I will have that Sunday open, which is that there. So once we've traded below the Sunday open, what happens? We look for shorts. Simple as. Simple as that. That's one way of knowing directional bias. But that's a concept. Again, if you go through ICT core content, you'll understand it. And that's it. I did not trade after Wednesday. I did not trade Thursday. I did not even look at a Forex chart on Thursday. I did not even look at a Forex chart on Friday until now. That's it. That's all I've done. There's 2 trading days. Monday, there was no trading. I said I wanted more information. I said that on the weekend. And Monday gave me that more information. By Tuesday, London, I was ready. And even if you guys missed Tuesday, yeah, I posted on Telegram talking about what's going to happen on Wednesday and what happened on Wednesday. Exactly what I said. That days, guys, let me put it this way. Let's say you didn't trade Monday because you wanted more information. Let's say you did not trade Tuesday because you was like, I want more information. Now let's say Tuesday night you did your analysis for Wednesday morning and you said, okay, we've been going higher this whole time. Tuesday has got a huge displacement to the downside. But look what you would have seen on Tuesday evening if you did your analysis. You would have seen this exact chart on your own pairs. Sorry, on your own screens at home. Tuesday evening, again, this is why I say do your markups in the evening. And when you wake up in the morning, it shouldn't be too much different unless you've got it wrong and it's going completely against you. it just saves you time, and it just gives me an indication whether London is going to be something I want to trade. There's a lot of factors around why I do my analysis in the evening. So again, Tuesday evening, you see this. Hence why you'll see me post this at 9 p.m. on Tuesday. So you would have seen this chart on SMT, and this would have been your like holy grail, I want to say, right? Of waking up Wednesday morning for London session and say, all I'm doing today is looking for shorts above the Asian range high. As soon as price goes above the Asian range high, boom, I'm going to go in short. Either that, or I'm going to wait for it to go above Asian range high, drop lower, give me that fair value gap, or give me a scenario to go in short and boom, I'm going to go in. That is what you're looking for. You're not looking for anything fancy. You don't need to look to catch the high of the week. When was the last time you guys saw me catch anything fancy, any fancy trade or catch it from the top? Yes, sometimes I get those trades. Very rare. Sometimes I get trades that look like they've been taken in the middle of nowhere because I'm on different time frames. But at the end, what matters is the percentage you make. Are you making percentage or not? Forget pips. Pips are nothing. You can easily go on Instagram, put 100 pip SL, 100 pip take profit, show a trade. I made 100 pips, but you probably just made 1%. I'm not saying it's bad to make 1%, but most of you, if you see a trade that someone's made 100 pips, you'll think, wow, I want to do 100 pips. He's probably made 10R, 5R, 6R. Again, focus on the minimal first. Focus on doing the bare minimum. For you guys that are starting out, 2% a week, call it there. And see if you can have the discipline to do that. Again, like I said, Monday, no trade. Tuesday, there was no trade, technically. Only reason I was able to find the trade because of experience. A lot of you that are experienced will be able to see the SMT and act upon it very quickly. Those of you who are not confident, don't take that as a negative thing. All that means is just wait one more day. And on Wednesday, it becomes so much more clearer, and you could have looked for shorts. And you could have looked for shorts. Again, we had the New York. Look here, New York. Classic ICT sell day. London, high above the Asian range. Low. What happens now? Look at this fair value gap over here. 30-minute time frame. Let's go on the 15-minute. Right? Your stop loss goes above London high. You take your entry there. How much RR do you want? It's 24 pips. You can go for this low here. You're getting about 40 pips back. You want another R? You can ride it out till 50. And this is something that it took me a long time to understand, guys. It took me a very long time to get into the framework that, you know what? Forget trying to take the best entries in the world. Forget trying to look good for social media. Because I do not care about social media. I have no interest in social media. I have a Twitter page, yes. I have this YouTube channel, yes. And I have an Instagram, yes. How many times do you see a lifestyle on there? How many times do you see monetary levels on there? How many times do you see me trying to compete with people? I don't care. I'm doing this because trading is something I genuinely have a passion for, and I have had for a very long time. It is my passion, so I don't need to compete. I'm doing it like it's my own leisure. I'm just like, to me, I'm doing it because I want to do it, not because I want to look good, not because I need, brand deals, or because I need, to affiliate myself with a prop firm. I don't. None of that. I'm doing this for me, and you need to ask yourself, why are you trading? Are you trading because you saw traders online with their Lamborghinis that are probably rented, and you guys want to do the same thing to look good? Or are you doing this for your own contentment? Are you doing this for your own families, your own personal legacies? Because social media is just fake, absolutely fake. Um, but yeah, again, like I said, if you missed that Monday, you missed that Tuesday, that one Wednesday will have set you for the whole week. Think about that. That more information. Look at this. This is Monday's trading over here. All of this is Monday's trading. Right there. I didn't even care about all of this. Because where's my eye? My eyes are going bearish. You don't even need to care about all of this. Who cares? You missed it. So what? But you would have caught something nice right here. Either here in London or a nice piece here in New York, and that's it, 2%, maybe even 1% for some of you guys. But if you can do something like this on a consistent basis every single week, you're doing far better than a lot of these traders out there that assume that, well, not assume, that brag about making a certain amount of, pips, 100 pips. If they can find 100 pips consistently a week, fair play. But I already know that I can, and you can easily find 20, 25 pips a week, and it is very easy. And now a lot of you are gonna look at me and say, "Oh, he's just saying it's easy." No, I'm not saying trading overall is easy just like that. It's the mental aspect of saying, "I've made 25 pips, I'm gonna stop," and that's what I'm looking for. And not being greedy and saying, you know what, okay, I've got my entry and I'm gonna hold it and I'm gonna take no partials and I just want to ride it out as much as I can, because look, you would have got stopped out at break even if you went break even. You would have lost out on all of that. So you gotta be logical at the same time. You gotta be logical. So again, guys, I hope you guys found this video insightful. I hope it helped a lot of you. I hope even some of the things I've said have made you think about your trading journeys and made you understand that you are trading for yourself. This isn't for anybody else. This is for you and your families. Um, and I wish ICT could listen to one of these, because I would love to say thank you to him. But again, guys, I will catch you on the Telegram later this week, or I will catch you next week on a weekly breakdown. Other than that, I hope you all have a fantastic weekend. Do some back testing, watch ICT, but most important, get some rest. If you want to spend a day, just spend, like, maybe do your analysis on Saturday or Sunday, but from one of those days, just do no trading at all. Believe me, you think I'm joking? I did not look at a chart Thursday, Friday, and it's peaceful. I've did what I did for the week. That's it. Back to doing other things. Anyways, hope you guys stay safe. Enjoy your weekends, and I'll catch you guys next week. Peace.